2026 Honda Passport. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.